How much does camshaft repair cost? Imagine driving your vehicle and suddenly hearing an unusual noise from the engine. It could be a sign of a problem with the camshaft, a critical component that helps control the opening and closing of the engine's valves. Understanding the potential costs associated with camshaft repair can help you make informed decisions about your vehicle's maintenance. The cost of camshaft repair can vary widely based on several factors. First, the make and model of your vehicle play a significant role. Luxury or performance vehicles often have higher repair costs due to the complexity of their engines and the price of parts. Additionally, the type of repair needed can influence the overall cost. For example, replacing a camshaft can be more expensive than simply repairing it. Labor costs also contribute to the total expense. Mechanics typically charge an hourly rate, which can vary based on location and the shop's reputation. In general, camshaft repairs may require several hours of labor, leading to increased costs. On average, you might expect to pay anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 for camshaft repair. This range includes both parts and labor, but keep in mind that prices can fluctuate based on the factors mentioned earlier. To get a more accurate estimate, it is advisable to consult with a trusted mechanic who can assess your specific situation. They can provide a detailed breakdown of the costs involved and help you understand what to expect. In conclusion, while camshaft repair can be a significant expense, knowing the potential costs can help you prepare and make the best choices for your vehicle's health. Always seek professional advice to ensure you receive the most accurate information tailored to your needs.